Hello po, ako po si Via Antonio, gaganap bilang Chona. Abangan niyo po ako sa Batang Quiapo, gabi-gabi yan. I am so excited. I believe in the saying that this is the timing of the Lord. So talagang masaya, excited ako. Si Derek Coco, nakatrabaho ko lang siya. Sobrang ikli lang yung cameo niya sa Breadwinner before. I'm friends with Jay Gonzaga as Emil. So kinikwento niya how disciplined, how very efficient the production is. So excited ako nung makaramdam ng very efficient group na natatapos at seryoso sa disiplina. And I think for the longest time, lagi ako nalilinya po sa comedy. So when I think about Batang Quiapo, I think it's about time to acquire new skills like basic gun handling. And so I'm so excited sa ipoportray ko dito. Si Derek Coco na ang gusto kong maka-eksena, sina Tita Perla, and si Tita Cherry Pie kung sakali mang magkukrus ang landas. Well, looking at him, how he works, I think yung commitment niya and yung trajectory din talaga ng career niya, parang nagigets ko because he's very serious, he's very disciplined, he's very motivated. I think he's a kind of person na kung ano yung gusto niya, yun yung pupuntahan niya and nobody can stop him. And so, I want to acquire that trait as well. Binigay nila na light character and hindi rin naman very, very stiff yung character ni Ponggay. So I think nandun yung lightness of Chona. Pero, the dedication of a police woman. May enkwentro, so as police, so ibig sabihin, kailangan nasa landas po ako ng physical health. Kumbaga, kailangan gumalaw, kailangan ng training, kailangan hindi kahingal. So, physically fit and ready for any action. I-like at i-follow ang CCM Film Productions sa lahat ng social media platforms para sa exclusive videos katulad nito. See ya!